Good afternoon, children. Children, today we are going to study about the first lesson in geography. Have you all taken your geography book? Please take geography book and go to page number 155. The heading is Interior of the Earth. Have you seen the earth picture here? This is the outer part of the earth. Okay. This is the outer part. That is like your coconut shell. அம்மா சிரட்டை போட்டுருவாங்க பார்த்துருக்கிறியா? So like that, this is the outer part of the earth. What is lying inside this shell? See, there are 3 layers. This is the inner part of our earth. Children, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the interior of the earth and also the role of interior part, otherwise the different plates of the earth, okay, and also earthquakes and volcanoes. Understood, children? Okay. Children, our earth is our homeland. So this earth is made up of lofty mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. But have you think about the interior of the earth? What is the earth made up of? So in this lesson, we are going to study about interior of the earth. Okay? What we are going to study about, ma? Interior of the earth. So the earth is compared to the structure of an apple. Okay, so in the apple, the inner part is fleshy. Children, if we cut the section through the earth, we can see the inner parts of the earth. Please see the picture in the very beginning of the lesson. So the inner part of the earth is divided into the crust, the mantle, and the core. Shall we read again, children? This is said to be the outer part is said to be the crust. Next is mantle and the core. Okay, so the spherical earth is made up of 3 concentric layers. Concentric means உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கிறது, சரியா? See, this is the outer shell. This is said to be the crust. This is the mantle and this is the core. Okay, children? On the study of the earthquake and waves, our spherical earth is found to be 3 concentric layers. The crust, the mantle, the core. Very beginning, we are studying about the crust. We are come under the heading the crust, children. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Understood the meaning, children? Which is the outermost layer? Its thickness is in kilometers. See, it is varies from 5 to 30 kilometers. You know the distance of kilometer, no? So inside the earth, its thickness is 5 to 30 kilometers. Okay. So now we are going to study about the continental masses and the ocean floors. We are living in Asia continent. That means landform. Okay. So listen, the continental crust is less dense than the ozonic crust. Do you understand, children? The continental crust is less dense than the ozonic crust. So, earth is made up of both light and dense rock types. The ozonic crust is composed mainly of dense rocks that is said to be basalt. Do you understand, children? Ozonic crust is denser than the continental crust. So the ozonic crust is made up of a dense rocks. The name of the dense rock, basalt. Okay. The crust which comprises 2 distinct parts. One is upper part that consists mainly granite rocks, which forms the continent. The main composition of this continent are the granite rock silica and alumina. Do you understand? What is that? Silica and alumina. So it is collectively referred as Sial. Sial. Okay. So the crust comprises two distinct parts. The first part is upper part. This upper part is mainly consists granite rocks. What is the constituent in that granite rocks? Silica and alumina. So this collectively, silica and alumina is said to be Sial. Understood, children? The lower part is a continuous zone of denser basaltic rocks forming the ocean floors. Do you understand, children? The lower part of the continuous rocks of basalt is forming there. That basalt rocks mainly made up of silica and magnesium. Therefore, the ozonic crust is said to be Sima. Do you understand, children? It has higher density. Okay, the ozonic crust comprising mainly silica and magnesium, and this is the very dense crust. So Cl and Sima together form the earth crust. Since the Cl is lighter than the Sima, the continents means we are having 7 continents. Yes, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. So all these continents can be said to be floating on the sea of denser Sima. Do you understand? Ozonic crust is denser than the continent crust. So it is said to be continents are floating on the sea. Understood, children? Today we studied about Cl and Sima. What is Cl? Silicon and aluminium. What is Sima? Silicon and magnesium. Today I am going to give you one question from this portion. Children, go to your book bank. Take Roman letter 9. Distinguish between Cl and Sima. Taken, children. It is given in 164. Roman letter 9. Distinguish between Cl and Sima. Shall we read the answer for this question? So you please go to the first page. So you put the heading Cl and write. Okay. The crust comprises two distinct parts. The upper part consists of granite rocks and forms the continent. It has main mineral constituent silica and alumina. So this collectively referred as Sial. Okay. So this first 5 lines you should write for Sial. Shall I read one more time, children? The crust comprises two distinct parts. The upper part consists of granite rocks and forms the continents. It has the main mineral constituent of silica and alumina. So it is collectively referred to as Cl. Okay, children? Children, next come to Sima. The side heading Sima. The lower part is a continuous zone of denser basaltic rocks forming the ocean floors, comprising mainly of silica and magnesium. Therefore, it is called Sima. Okay, children? Do you understand? First you put the subheading Cl and write the part, and then write Sima and write the 4 lines given. Thank you, children.